how about this? Today we're excited to check out one of the most beautiful 1969 GMC four-wheel drive pickups. Look great. I think they look great in this thing. Sounds freaking awesome too. 4-speed air, beautiful paint, beautiful interior, and a perfect sound. I mean, that's
cool. And this is our kind of truck. Both of our trucks are personal trucks. Tell my wife's Jeep is jacked up a 37. So pretty damn cool. There's 512 on there.
that color. For me, it's that color's absolutely gorgeous. And then we're gonna give you a sneak peek at the interior and under the hood's quality too. But I love what they did with the interior. That, you know, houndstooth, beautiful paint on the dash. Everything was just done really nice.
Nice truck, it really is.
That's what we fell in love with it. You know, going around it, we're like, damn, this thing is just super quality and beautiful.
A lot of these trucks are kind of a mixture of this truck, that truck, all kind of together. You know what I mean? This one we went ahead and found the factory bin on the frame as well. So everything's matching. It's not a frame off one truck. And aluminum heads, air conditioning, vintage air, beautiful headers.
I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off.
Did a nice job. Looks like a lot of the wiring's new, isn't it?
And really solid too, like you said. So has the original correct frame for it. But even the way the doors shut, you know, cab corners, everything on this truck is really solid, well preserved,
Yep.
and well restored.
It's funny they did the grill, Dalton, but they didn't re-chrome the bumper, or you know what I mean, or just replace the bumper. The original bumper shines well, but it's got a lot of little scratches. But the grill and the headlight surround looks like it's all brand new, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, like you said, look how this lines up.
Yeah, you don't see them that often, these big four-wheel drive trucks.
Like you mentioned earlier, the color is outstanding, especially in the sun. Tires are BFG all-terrain, great shape. 1500 V8.
We've had so many people, even just like sitting here in our old town, ask about it. You know, it's just kind of really, especially in the area we're at, you know.
Farm country?
Yeah, when we're in farm country, I mean, how everybody has to stop and talk about it.
It's a nice truck. You know, nothing's perfect. It's got a few little chips and stuff like that, but the overall appearance of it's great. The dash pad, the seat covers, the radio is excellent. We do have a sending unit coming for the fuel tank. Headliner's nice. Inside paint is in great shape as well. Body's nice and straight. Back bumper looks like that has been redone. That's gorgeous. Passenger side's nice. I like the wood grain trim on the sides as well. Look good. There's a couple little paint imperfections right here. Like I said, nothing's perfect. For God's sakes, it's a pickup. You know what I mean? Same thing here. It's got a little as well.
Beautiful. And how nice is AC in one of these?
It does have a little split in the armrest pad. Yeah, AC is fantastic, ain't it? Should we take it for a spin?
Yeah, I'm excited too.
Starts really easy, doesn't it? The only problem is I don't know if we got it in four-wheel drive or two. That's four-wheel. Thing moves nice and free. There's neutral. Sounds great, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Nice shift, smooth. Nice, smooth shift.
They put in a retro sound radio.
Yeah, I mentioned earlier that the fuel sending unit needs to be replaced. We got one coming. Speedometer works good. Transmission shifts good in the third. Indicators work on the dash. Back brake's a little grabby on my side. Need to adjust that a little bit. Yeah, it shifts smooth, runs nice.
Yeah, it does.
Jeez,
I lost my hat.
Freaking hat blew right off. Holy shit, I like it.
Yeah, it drives awesome.
Did you expect that?
We can see right into the old bucket truck.
It's probably 70 mile an hour down the highway right now.
Yeah.
Drive straight as hell. I kind of want to go through it one more time. That was pretty fun.
That was fun.
That surprised me. I didn't expect that. Even though it's got aluminum heads and everything, I didn't expect that.
Especially for a big old rig like this. Check this thing out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comments section of this video. Awesome truck.